Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Cepi Ramdani. My student's number is 182122038 from Class A Literasi Teknologi Informasi, Siliwangi University. Alright, in this occasion, I want to explain about how to optimize using Google search to be maximum effective and efficient. First of all, I want to apologize because I do this project on my handphone due to my laptop is not sufficient to connect to the internet. So I use this handphone to do this project. Alright, so in this explanation, there are 14 points related to this topic, which is about optimizing using Google search engine. Alright, without any further ado, let's get started. The first point is using quotation mark. Using quotation mark can help us to find specific information easier, which is about the information that we need or that we want to search. For example, I want to find the information about Indonesia Youth Action. So I can type the information like this using quotation mark. Indonesia Youth Action. Add the quotation mark again, and then let's see the result. Alright, here is the specific information about Indonesia Youth Action. This is the specific information when we search this Indonesia Youth Action information using the quotation mark. What about if we do not use the quotation mark? So, if we do not use the quotation mark, the result of the information that we search is still general, not specific. For example, let's try. Do not use quotation mark here. Let's see the result. Alright, here is the result about Indonesia Youth Action if we do not use the quotation mark. So there are many information about Indonesia Youth Action. So the first point is using quotation mark to find the specific information. Alright, the next point is using the hyphen to exclude words. For example, I want to find the information about Zozi Bini Tunzi. We just need type Zozi Bini hyphen Tunzi. Let's see. Alright, here is the information about Zozi Bini Tunzi. If we use hyphen on this column. What about if we do not use this hyphen? Like with the previous one, the result will be broader. This is actually help us to optimize our task on this Google search. If we do not use this hyphen, let's see. Zozi Binitunzi. Alright, here is the information about Zozi Binitunzi. If we search this information not using the hyphen. Alright. See the differences? That is the second point. And the next one is using colon to find out the information only on the certain sites. Alright, for example, I want to write or find the information about my name, Cepi Ramdani. Add the colon here, type the site, colon. I want to find my name on the unsil.ac.id. Alright, here is the information about Cepi Ramdani on the unsil.ac.id. Alright, let me try again. If we do not use this like site unsil.ac.id. Alright, here is the information about My name Cepi Ramdani on Unsil, right? That is the third point, using colon to find out the information only on the certain site. And the next one is using the star sign to seek the sentences with the missing parts or the words. For example, I want to type the lyric "Go Easy, Smile." Alright, loading. And here we go. Here is the result. Go easy. Yes, so many information about go easy, right? Okay, that is the fourth point, using the star sign to seek the sentences with the missing parts or the words. And the next one is searching for multiple topics at once. In this part, we only need to put the quotation mark and word or. For example, I want to write, firstly, add the quotation mark, don't forget, how to make ice cream, add quotation mark again, or how to make coffee. All right, let's see the result. Okay, here is the result about how to make ice cream and how to make coffee. Okay, and in this information we can find at once about the multiple topics, which is in these terms is how to make ice cream and how to make a coffee. Right, got it? Okay, that is the fifth point. And the next one is seeking for a range of numbers. Here we only need to put the numbers related to the information that we want to get. For example, right, don't forget seeking for a range number. For example, here I want to search who is the winner. The winner of Miss Universe ellipsis 2011. Let's see the result. Okay, loading. We just need, here is the result. Who is the winner of Miss Universe 2011? All right. In this part, we only need to put the numbers related to the information that we want to get. Let's try again. How about 2008? I'm sorry. Oh, Katrina Gray. Okay, here is the result of the winner of Miss Universe 2018. Okay, Google automatically know what I mean, right? Okay, that is the points about seeking for a range of number. We only put the numbers as the key of these terms of this information. All right, and the next one is looking for any trivial things. Google can help us to find out the trivial things. For example, I want to search the nearest Laz not Lazada, the nearest, what is it? BRE, the nearest BRE link. Okay, we can see the result. I'm sorry, here is the result when we search in Google the nearest BRE link. Okay, and then we can see here the result will show us where is the nearest BRE link of from our current location. Okay, we can see here the result. Where is the nearest of Berlin from our home? Okay, got it. Let's move to the next point. The next point is using, oh, what is it? I'm sorry, and looking for the similar sites. Okay, in this point, we just also need to type related, we just need to write the information related to the information that we will find and edit by the colon. For example, just type related and then what is it? For example, BBC News. Let's see. Okay, there's a BBC News, bbc.co.uk, bbc.co.uk, and still about BBC News. How about related? What is it? Related Liputan 6. Okay, here is the sites that similar with the Liputan 6, right? Okay, that is the 8th point, looking for the similar sites. And the next point is using the keywords. Okay, I think anyone have known about this one, because using keywords we can know what is it, the keyword that we will write on the Google. For example, I want to write, or I want to find the cheapest shoes. Okay, cheapest shoes, and here Google gives us many information about the cheapest shoes, right? In this information, we are going to find the cheapest shoes, which is in this terms, the keyword is the cheapest. Okay, yes, the cheapest is the keywords of this thing. All right, that is the using the keywords. Let's move into the next point. The next point is using the words that is used by the website. For example, instead of write the good bookcase, okay, let's see. If you type the good bookcase, Google will give us many information about the bookcase, but this is not actually the result that we want. So better we search that information by typing, for example, the aesthetic bookcase for the college student, for example, like that. College students. Okay, here is the result. Okay, here is the result about the aesthetic bookcase for the college students. Since if we just write the good bookcase, it will make the meaning is unclear or not specific. So using the professional words to get the information, the sufficient information that we want. Got it? Okay, let's move into the next one. The next one is converting anything easily. For example, if we want to convert the currency from the USD to IDR, we only type, for example, 1 million USD to IDR. Okay, and then the result will arise. This is the result when we convert the currency. And you can use this thing to convert anything easily. Okay, that is the 11th point. And the next one is is about the spelling, because in this Google, spelling is not the key, as Google can automatically understand what we are going to type. For example, I will write the lyrics incorrectly, then we will see the result. Okay, here is the incorrect lyrics. I will type it randomly, and I guess Google will give us the correct lyric. Okay, here is correct lyric. Okay, that is about the spelling. Spelling is not the key. All right, we're gonna move into the next one. The next one is seeking the specific file. Here, we only need to write what kind of the field that we want. For example, if we want to write, or if we want to get the PDF one, we just need to write PDF and at the end of the information that we search. For example, teaching listening using song, type PDF. Don't forget to put the colon. And here is the result. Google will give us many PDF about the topic that we search, which is about the teaching listening using song. Okay, and the last one is using Google to solve the math problem. I want to know what is the result of this question. Okay, I will type the math problem randomly. For example, 873 plus 2475 times by 99, for example. Okay, let's see the result. Oh my god, so incredible. Here is the result. So as I said, that Google can solve the math problem. Here is the plus point to optimize using or to optimize Google to help us to help us do the task, to help us do the do the project maximally effective and efficient. All right, everyone, so they are the 14 points about how to optimize using Google search to be maximum effective and efficient. I hope this will be useful for you. Thank you so much for your nice attention. See you in the next opportunity. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.